सब कुछ तुझ पे वारूं.
So finally we have your all-time favorite Sukirti. Hi Sukirti, welcome to India Films.
Hi, thank you so much.
And welcome back to TV.
Thank you so much.
Finally you are back on TV. So why this show?
Why this show? Yeah, I think ये सवाल बहुत लोग जानना चाहते हैं and really I would like to answer all of you personally and I see everything on India forums and I think this show बहुत different है in terms of the fact that it's being shot in London and to be very frank to all the प्यार की कहानी fans, while I was doing प्यार की कहानी I always wanted to go to London. And this show came to me at a point of time where I really wanted to do it in terms of the fact that we are going to London and I also like the fact that I'm doing a modern girl, you know. I've really cried a lot of tears in the last 1.5 years, so please forgive me if I don't want to cry a few tears because I think when you're doing a lead, I don't know about other people, but for me I think it takes a lot of effort in terms of sincerity. I'm not saying other people are not sincere, but you know, some people put in more and some people put less and some people can do it. I can't do it without putting a very big 100%, you know. So I think this show is it's very good. It'll be very different from Pyar Ki Kahani. Wow. And I think once it's there, they're going to love it, and I think they should just stop all speculations and be happy with the big smile.
Okay, any specific thing you like to talk about your character or the concept about the show?
The concept is about this girl who is in Punjab and she falls in love with this guy. How this guy thinks that going to London is better than getting married, and there's this parallel guy who of course loves her, and when this guy kind of comes there, then that's I think when he's going to meet me, and that's when we kind of start brewing the coffee between us. And then I think Jazz is a very urban, very modern girl, something which is not very what would I say, Indian, you know. And I think I love to play such characters. You get to wear cool clothes and you know, but I think she's a very modern girl who doesn't like Indian, you know, Rona Dhona and what are they doing and what the hell, you know. She's like, what the hell are you guys doing? And her dad constantly kind of pushes her ahead to adapt it. So I think she's more of a very, yes, I think people what they're saying is right. It's more of a very Namaste London, very rebellious, I want to do my own thing sort of a character.
So we can see some of the reflection of Katrina Kaif.
Yeah, yes, I think the styling and I think the basic concept of it is the same, yes.
Okay, if we'll talk about the look. So, आपको ये look कितना पसंद है?
Oh, I love the look. See what am I saying? I think this look really suits me. I think obviously I'm not saying Indian doesn't suit me or something, but I think this is something I'd feel very comfortable in. You know, it comes very naturally to me. I should rather say, you know, it comes very naturally to me, and I think it's a beautiful look of very cute. I love the hairstyle as well. I love my curly hair, and it's going to be a very cute look of dresses and boots and very London sort of a thing, which is, you know, I think it really suits me, and I think you know, people are just going to love me in that. So I would want to do it.
Okay, for a change, अब सुकीर्ति गोरेगांव फिल्म सिटी में शूट ना करके लंदन में शूट करेंगी, तो उसके लिए कितने excited है?
See, that's the point. You know, when I was doing Pyar Ki Kahani, a lot of times I found myself shooting in some deserted studio where I did not even have range, and I'm really talking about it. I think that's a desperate change that I really wanted, considering the fact that I have been working back to back and entertaining you guys for 4 years. Come on, you know, it's been Jersey Number 10, then Dil Mil Gaye, then Agli Janam, then Pyar Ki Kahani, and I need that kind of a backburn, kind of a break, and I think this comes with both the things. I think it's a beautiful show. I get to go to London, and I don't have to do so much of work. I'll be working, but I don't know how to do so much of work. So I think it serves all my purposes, and I remember my sir telling me once there was this sequence in Pyar Ki Kahani when I was kind of hanging to a branch or something, and that's when I said, oh, what am I doing here? And my friend was partying in Bali, so I don't think I have to be jealous of anyone any longer.
Okay, as you know, सुकीर्ति के international fans बहुत हैं India forums पे. अगर वो कहीं आपको लंदन की shooting में टकरा गए कहीं, so how you react?
I think I am going to meet a lot of them, and I'm mentally prepared for it, and I would love to meet all of you. Please, wherever you see me, please come and meet me, and I would love to know what they think about my work, what they think about the new show, and I think love. See, this show is about love. I don't think my fans stop loving me at any point of time, so I'm very proud of them, and I would love to meet anybody who wants to meet me there.
Okay, in your personal life, how much you believe in love?
I only believe in love. That's That's my problem. No, I think I completely believe in love. I think it's a very fulfilling feeling. You know, I think success is a contingent of fulfillment. It's always not, oh, I have this and oh, I am that. You know, a successful person can feel very empty. But I think the moment love comes in, I think it just gives you that very nice, fulfilling feeling. And trust me, my boyfriend treats me like a princess, so I don't want to be treated like anything else. I just completely love being in love.
Okay, so finally you have so many fans on India forums. So what do you like to say to them? Why should they watch you on this new show?
I think they watched me in Dil Mil Gaye. They watched me when I left Dil Mil Gaye. They watched me in Nagrajam. They watched me in Pyar Ki Kahani. I think they've always watched me, and I don't think they will ever stop watching me in the first place. But I think they expect a lot out of me, and I would love to meet their expectations. But I don't want to meet a 50% expectation. You know, I want to give 100% to whatever I do. I'm giving 100% to this. So please watch it and enjoy it. I think they're going to love the look because I think I'm looking lovely in this. So just go ahead and see it. Whatever you can see is just one thing that I'm wearing, but I think they're going to love me.
Okay, one last question. आपको हमने अब तक सारे यूथ ओरिएंटेड शोज में देखा है, बस एक शो आपने किया था जो थोड़ा सास बहू सागा था. सो यू फील लकी जी जैसे चैनल पे यू डूइंग अ शो व्हिच इज स्टिल हैज अ टच ऑफ यूथ.
Yeah, I think that's very important also. You know, I'm 24, you know. I'm not saying that I can't do it, I don't want to do it, but somehow down the line I really want to do things that are young and spunky, you know, Pyar Ki Kahani and shows like that really give me that thing to do it. You know, if someone tells me, okay, do a youth show now, unfortunately Star One shut down, and I think we really dependent on youth for that. But I think I'm sort of the youth kind of looks up to all of us as characters. You know, as Vivian, as you know, the vampire, me, or you know, it's so I don't want to lose that touch so soon. I'm sorry, but I'm very attached to that touch. I think I can carry it off well. I think I do it well. So I want to be in the youth madness for now.
Thanks a lot for talking to us and all the best. So guys, Sukirti is back, so do watch with cameraman Dharmendra, Ashma Mishra, India Forums, Mumbai.
फिर भी साहिबा रणबीर और दिलजीत का कहना है,
सबसे सोना रब और रब से सोना इश्क.
सूफियाना संगीत से सजी पंजाब की सोंधी मिट्टी से निकली ये नई प्रेम कहानी, रब से सोना इश्क.